two very simple meditations that I found are good to raise our frequency and go into a state of Simran. Both have an element of silence in them, which is kind of key. So the first one we'll do is just a simple technique called Ajapa Jaap. It means that what you vibrate out, then the universe vibrates it back to you. And there's a way of practicing it. So what we'll do, we'll take any mantra you can do it with. We'll take the mantra Vaheguru, and I'm going to chant it, and I want you to sing with me. It's not kirtan style. Kirtan style is when I would sing and then you would sing back, and there's a constant chanting going on. In this case, we're going to, let me just bring this up. So I want you to chant actually with me here. And then I want you to listen to the exact same sound, the exact same vibration, in the same rhythm that we're doing it with. So we'll chant together. We'll go Vaheguru, and then listen. Vaheguru. Listen to the universe, chant it back. And when you chant, also listen exactly to what you're saying as well. Don't just chant, but also listen to your own sound as you chant. And we'll just do that for a few minutes. Vaheguru, 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 Guru, Vahe Guru, Vahe Guru, Vahe Guru, Vahe Guru. So let's call the Ajapa Jaap to chant and then listen in exactly the same rhythm and timing and everything as you chanted it. And a very good exercise also in Sunye, deep listening.